Hey, Dr. Ryan Hetland here. Welcome to today's 3-minute video. I had a patient this morning tell me how she came about hearing about us and was referred to us. And she said that one thing was interesting, that when she went to another chiropractor, she was going to someone who the adjustments were hurting. She was actually feeling like afterwards, or while she was getting adjusted, that the chiropractic adjustments were hurting. They were actually causing pain. And she went to some other chiropractor before she went to me, and that chiropractor said something interesting that triggered her in her mind that she needed to make a change because she was out of town. And she went to someone because she really needed, she was hurting. And he said, you know, a chiropractic adjustment should never really hurt. And that was something that ended up helping her, trigger her to make a change and do something different. And I just thought that was an interesting thing I wanted to share with everyone. In case you're going somewhere to a chiropractor, and I don't mean any ill will on anyone, but if it's hurting, you should consider asking them, is it supposed to hurt? Because in my experience of 8 years of chiropractic, I don't remember off my head anyone saying that their adjustment hurt and or like complaining. Occasionally, when someone's really in pain, it's like if you had a bruise on your hand and I poked on the bruise, it'd be tender. So I want to clarify the difference between, you know, when a chiropractor touches on an area that's sore and tender, that's normal for someone who's got a problem in that area. That's not what I'm talking about here. What I'm talking about here is when the chiropractic adjustment is delivered into your neck or your back or anywhere in your spine, this idea that that physical adjustment caused pain, especially anything that kind of continues to linger longer than a second or something like that. So think about that. Ask me questions. Feel free to reply to this or message below with any comments or anything that you found helpful. And I look forward to hearing back from you and seeing you on another video.